In today's quick tips, let's talk about delete empty cells and populate information faster. If you have a lot of empty cells in your dataset, they can take up valuable space and make it harder to read and understand your data. Excel has a handy feature that allows you to delete empty cells in a range with just a few clicks. So to do it, first select the data you want to work with. Then stay on the Home tab of your ribbon and then go to Find and Select, go to Special, and check blanks. Right-click one of the highlighted cells, click the Delete option, and select Shift Cells Left. You'll notice that every empty cell was removed from your data. You'll never have to move your cells around to fill empty spaces manually. This feature does it for you at the click of a few buttons. Alright, so in the Home tab, I'm selecting the data. Now look for the option named Find and Select. This option at the top right corner. With Find and Select, you can click to see options from finding text in your document. You can use advanced search options to replace text, jump right to a specific spot, or pick other ways to narrow your search. So we click there, and then select Go to Special. Mark the option that says blanks, and we click on OK. As you see, now all the blank areas are marked with a gray color. So now we have to click on one of the highlighted cells, click on Delete, and then Shift Cells Left. Click OK. And now the document is clearer to see. This can be very useful in a super large document with a lot of data in it. Okay, so populate information faster. First, select the data you're working with. Press the F5 button on your keyboard or click Go to Special from the ribbon. Click blank in the dialog box that shows up on your screen. Type the equal sign without quotation marks in the top first empty cell. Select the region on top and then press Ctrl plus Enter keys. This is faster to populate your data than dragging it down with your mouse, a straightforward trick to speed up your workflow in Excel. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from more videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.